Good evening and welcome to 200forexwebs.com. I am here with the final analysis of 26th of December 2018. Okay guys, I am going to take you towards the signals report. So let's get started with Euro USD today, and Euro USD with a bearish expectation from 114008 and 113636 was the bearish entry, bearish target price. And guys, you can see we have seen a big drop and the market has gone beyond the barriers of the target price. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions today as per recommendations of 200 Forex Pips, they must have collected the profits. Okay, now let's talk about a sell position that is taken on New Zealand USD, and it's already on the way. 067360 was the bearish entry and 067074 is the targeted price. And guys, you can see the entry is already break few hours in the last hour and the market is clearly going down. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. We have seen strong massive movements today. However, it wasn't expected because I was expecting a slower momentum, and Great Britain Pound USD with a bearish expectation from 127027 and 126635 was the bearish entry. And guys, you can clearly see we have a big drop on Great Britain Pound USD today. So if you have cashed this drop, then you might have collected a very good profit. Okay, now let's talk about the USDJPY. A strong bullish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning in the form of a bullish trend from 110467 and 111092 is the targeted price. And guys, if you look at here, then you can clearly see the market has already reached the targeted price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions. They must have collected the decent profits. Okay, now let's talk about the scalping that we have done today on AUD USD. Overall, it has, if you look at the chart, it has kept itself in a range. It has gone nowhere. However, the entry was 070550 and 070904 was the targeted price. However, the market has kept itself in the range and it went up to 070702. So guys, if you have taken the bullish entries and have done scalping, then you must have taken the profits. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar. So basically guys, the price was so much high from the last few days. I was expecting a small drop and I have supplied the bearish signal from 135982 and 135499 was the targeted price. However, we have a slight downward trend seen today on USD Canadian dollar, and then again the price is pushed up high, which shows that the market is still getting the bullish pressure. However guys, if it keeps the levels below 135982, it will be into the bearish zones, and then the selling pressures can be on if it keep its level below this level. So just just keep your eye on this. Okay, now let's talk about the EURJPY. So guys, basically no momentum is seen today. It's itself in a very good, in a small range. You can see it has even gone nowhere. So there is no need to discuss because we have done scalping a little bit. But basically the momentum was quite zero on that trade. At last, I'm going to talk about AUDJPY, which is the last signal of my signals report. A bullish trend was supplied from 77937. and 98674 is the targeted price. And guys, you can see we have seen a sound upward trend on AUDJPY, and finally it's up from the entry. So guys, hopefully you people must have taken the profits even with the day when we were not sure that we will see some momentum. However, things were quite okay to trade. So guys, if you want to get these trading signals, if you want to get the trading system that you can see on the chart, if you want to improve the trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for a Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this, please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Also, please guys, join the Telegram channel. Please find 200 Forex Pips on Telegram, and you will be able to catch us on Telegram too. So guys, for all inquiries, please send your emails at info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.